Natural Landscaping Trail, Stop 10, Floating Bio-Island. Nutrients can wash into ponds with stormwater runoff from many sources. Here at the Illinois Department of Natural Resources, they come from animal waste in the livestock barns in other areas on the state fairgrounds. In most ponds and lakes, there is a zone of vegetation that grows along the water's edge. These plants use nutrients from the pond to grow and can help remove any excess nutrients in the water. Within some constructed ponds, like this one at the IDNR headquarters, little of this emergent vegetation is present. When emergent plants are absent or few and nutrients are abundant in the water, algae in the pond can use the nutrients to grow explosively in the warm months of the year. This growth can cause the water to have little or no oxygen, negatively impacting aquatic organisms. Currently, algal growth in this pond is controlled with chemicals. The natural landscaping at the IDNR building increased the amount of emergent vegetation around the pond's edge. Floating bio-islands were installed to control excess nutrients and reduce chemical use. A bio-island is made of recycled soda bottles formed into a mat that floats. Native wetland plants are planted into the surface of the mat. Its structure allows roots to grow through the mat and extend into the water. The roots of these wetland plants often extend several feet into the water. Beneficial bacteria grow on the roots. The plants on the bio-island and the bacteria on their roots help utilize excess nutrients in the spring and early summer before the algae can begin to grow, decreasing the detrimental summer algal blooms. On April 30, 2013, staff at IDNR prepared bio-islands for launch into the ponds at the IDNR headquarters. A native plant and potting soil was added to each of the growth cells. After plants were inserted, a layer of potting soil was added to each bio-island, followed by native plant seeds and a layer of peat. Strings were placed around the perimeter and across the top to discourage visits by hungry geese. The first of the two bio-islands is towed into place. Water is poured onto the island to help the plants start growing and to hold the peat in place. Launching the larger bio-island was a harder task. The anchors were released, and the larger bio-island settled into place in the east pond at the IDNR headquarters. The roots under the mat will provide habitat for small fishes and invertebrates to hide. The island's surface will provide a place for turtles to bask and birds to rest. This cost-effective structure provides many benefits and could be implemented at ponds and lakes statewide. You are now ready to move to the next stop on the trail.